I'm in Branson, Missouri, and today I'm taking a break from work at my condo to head over to Scooter's Sports Grill for lunch. Come along with me and let's see if it deserves the reputation for having one of the best burgers in Branson. I've been in Branson for a day now getting my condo back in order after some renovations. I have meetings with my rental manager and my contractor this afternoon, but I still have time for lunch. Since it's nearby, let's head over to the new location of Scooter's Sports Grill and check it out. Scooter's original location was on Gretna Road at the site of Greatest Adventures Mini Golf. It has been recognized over the years by various groups for making one of the best burgers in Branson. In fact, the first time I visited Scooter's at its original location was after reading about it in one of those rankings. Although Scooter's has moved to its new location, Greatest Adventures Mini Golf remains open for business. The new location is on Green Mountain Drive, in the building with World of Wizards Mini Golf. This new location is in a much bigger building and space and now bills itself as a full-service, family-friendly restaurant with a separate bar and lounge area. The new location also has a large outdoor covered patio area. Let's head into Scooter's and get some lunch. The main entrance is the entrance for both Scooter's and the World of Wizards Mini Golf, with Scooter's being to the left and Mini Golf and an arcade to the right. We'll take a quick look at the arcade and World of Wizards Mini Golf on the way out. On busy days, there would be a hostess at the stand here, but at lunch on a Wednesday, a sign instructed me to seat myself. Heading in, the first thing you come to is the bar area with a bar and a few tables, followed by the main restaurant itself. I seated myself at a table by the wall with an opening looking into the bar area and was quickly greeted by the waitress with a menu and a glass of water. The separate bar menu was extensive and listed the best 10 house drinks from the bar on one side and the craft beer selections along with the house wine selections on the other. Since I wasn't going anywhere right away, I chose a Blue Moon Ale on tap from the menu while I looked over the regular menu. The menu itself was extensive, featuring a long list of starters and salads, followed by their signature sandwiches. The backside featured their gourmet burgers, entrees, which included steak, chicken, and catfish, a kids' meals menu, beverages, and desserts. I came here to check out the burgers, so I ordered a cheeseburger and onion rings, which were recommended to me by my waitress. While I was waiting on my food to be prepared, I took a look around Scooter's. The bar area featured a sit-down bar with televisions. The restaurant itself was not busy at all on this Thursday at lunch and featured plenty of seating and a number of TVs on the wall. Through the windows and the doors, we can also see the extensive outdoor seating on the covered patio area. In addition, there was a second indoor dining area that was closed off on this day due to lack of a crowd. All in all, unlike the old location, there is plenty of seating on a busy day here. Soon my burger and onion rings arrived. It was a great burger and very tasty, but the star of the show was the onion rings. They were cooked just right with the perfect breading and seasoning. They also came with a house dipping sauce that was quite good. It was a delicious meal. If you're staying at a condo or hotel in the area, Scooters has an excellent website where you can browse a menu and call in an order for pickup or delivery. The online menu is featured in PDF format for easy reading, with one click from the main page. Also featured from the main page is online ordering, where you can choose items, add them to your cart by clicking on the ones you want, and at completion use the online checkout system to complete your order. Finally, back on the main page, you can read reviews, and near the bottom, see pictures of many of their popular items. As promised, before leaving, I took a look at the arcade and at World of Wizards mini golf.
I encourage you to use your magical knowledge to score a hole-in-one at every possible opportunity.
With lunch complete, it was time to head back to the condo and to my afternoon meetings. So, was Scooter's the best burger in Branson? It certainly was up there, but there are a number of good places to get a burger in Branson, Scooter's being among them. As I stated before, my favorite part was probably the onion rings and the house dipping sauce that went with them. Would I recommend Scooter's as a place to eat when in Branson? Absolutely. The food is good, with lots of variety to choose from, and you could even combine it with a round of mini golf before or after the meal. I've been told this place gets busy on weekends and busy times of the year, so plan accordingly. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of this kind of content, like the video, share it with friends, and leave us a comment to let us know what you think. We invite you to join us on our website at findushere.com, as well as on Facebook, Instagram, and Patreon. Meanwhile, check out this video next for more travel fun, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our new content. Your subscription is always free, helps us grow the channel, and is always greatly appreciated.